Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner with an update on the Sony amplifier, my Sony amplifier here. I'll switch off the light. So, those who don't know, who haven't watched previous episodes on this channel, we had this STK 4221 and second generation stereo amplifier. One of my friends have opened it and it turns out there are transistors inside, so it's like a hybrid. Its STKs are not proper, you know, like a regular audio amplifiers. They are transistors. Yes, so if you open it inside, you will see, if you have a chance to do it. Now, okay, so the next thing is what I want to show you is it will be telling you my wife did that. Yes, so kudos to her. She's done it. Congratulations, you know. I've only opened 2 screws at the back and 4 on sides to lift up the cover, and I showed her what needs to be done. She desoldered, she removed this one, yes, placed a new one, use thermal paste to, you know, put in between the new one and the radiator. She used our portable hoover to clean up the stuff. Yes, so you know, all good, and it's working. But there is an issue, and I want to show you the issue. What's the problem with it? I'll share the screen. Okay, so you see the one which I've showed you. Let me show you again. Okay, so that those who didn't point the attention, it's a 4221. Yes, 4, 2, 2, and 1. And look again. This is 4, 2, 1, 1. Check, compare, and you'll know. It's I would say you can use one, you know, in between each other. Yes, it's not a problem. But can you see those black spots at R601, 602, 606, 607 and 608, the dark spots? So I did measure that, and I'll show you. So here are my findings. Don't know if you can see that clearly, but you can compare that. You know, I had that's meter reel on this, and that's markings. You can compare the difference. Yes, so I will order them, and I'll replace them because there is a difference in between. But amplifier is working, so thank you for watching. Please do like or subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.